Hi, this is our project for E478 capstone. The name of the project is Remote Vibrotactile for upper limb amputees. And so we are doing here, we have the robotic manipulator, which has some force sensing resistors here and sends that wirelessly to the end device, and you are using MSP 430s integrated with CC 2500. At the other end, we are using the force that is sent here and sent wireless to scale the amplitude of a sine wave, which Zach here is going to talk to you guys about.
Yeah, like Camilo just mentioned, the force gathered here is a multiplying factor that gets sent out serially to a high-speed digital analog converter, and that's just using a 9-point sine wave lookup table to drive what's known as a vibrotactile transducer. It responds to a variable amplitude sine wave and vibrates according to that amplitude.
So another thing, in order for us to be able to control the robotic manipulator, we are using electromyography. And so we have a circuit here that acquires that motor unit action potential from your muscles, and basically what it is that we have a differential amplifier which is using with discrete op-amps, and then it has a high common mode rejection ratio around 90. Then we have a inverting amplifier, and then we have a series of low-pass filters, and then at the end we have a summing circuit that actually gives us the average of what we want. So it takes the running average of. So let's go ahead and run over a demo so we can see the circuit actually working.
Okay. So just so you can see, without the cup here, the robot arm actually changing based on the flex of the muscle. And like Camilo mentioned, the circuit is picking up that EMG signal, sending it wirelessly, and creating a PWM signal for the servo inside. And then if we place the object here that comes in contact with the FSRs, we're able to pick up the variable force as we push on the cup. The force is changing and sending it to drive the tactor. So we can see that there's actual change in the force being applied, and therefore a change in the amplitude of the sine wave. And this is actually enough force that we're able to pick up the cup, whereas without flexing the manipulator we're not. And then we'll do a final demonstration. And then release.
Yep. So basically the idea is that a person can control the amount of force that they're putting into a fragile cup by using the vibrotactile feedback. Thanks.